Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna learn how to recover Honkai Star Rail account. If you're trying to log into your Honkai Star Rail account but you are not being able to do so since you've forgotten your password, then here's how you can easily recover your account. Whenever you log into your Hoyoverse account, you'll need to type in your email address and the password associated with Honkai Star Rail. If you're not being able to remember the password, simply tap on this forgot password link and then follow through the password reset process. Enter your username or your email address in the text box that is associated with your Hoyoverse account. After you do that, tap on the next button and complete this CAPTCHA in order to continue. On the next page, go ahead and enter the verification code that is sent to the associated email. In order to receive your email, click on the send button right next to the verification code. You'll now receive a verification code in your associated email. Go ahead and enter the code as soon as you receive it and tap the next button at the bottom. You'll now need to enter the new password, type in the new password and retype in the password once again. Finally, tap the confirm button at the bottom and you'll be able to successfully reset your password. While logging into your account, enter the new password and log in, and you should be able to recover your account for Honkai Star Rail. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.